where the point is. I'll just give a little
Let me get it back.
slipper. Ugh, so gross. I can't do it.
It's good.
Is it cut? I think I gotta go down right there.
I dropped it. There.
I swear I cut it. It's gotta be through. Oh, you gotta be through. Where the f?
I found the highway on the horizon.
Yeah, keep it there. You gotta keep it one spot.
I'm trying, buddy.
You keep moving it.
There it comes.
I see it. Just f***ing move it now. That's gotta be enough to go through.
I got it. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Put it.
Hey, I want you to push it.
Yeah.
All right, open up a little more.
Yep. On my side. Yep.
Yeah, and this one?
No,
Or
other side.
Other side.
Yep.
That's gotta be enough, isn't it?
Almost. Just give me a second.
Yeah, I see.
I mean,
Ugh.
that one hurt.
You go through? Now you're running out of shank. You know what you're better off doing? Pulling it from the tip.
Yeah.
Yep. Just spin it.
Put your hand for pressure on your skin.
I would just pull it right through with that. You gotta turn it, torque it like this. You're going the wrong way.
The barb's right here. I want to come at the barb, right?
I don't, but I would go like,
Tell me what angle you think.
I would think you'd go like this. Take it from this side, or I can do it. This, and then you go like this.
Okay, give her. Don't throw that.
Why?